Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, how to create a professional CV. First of all, open MS Word, click blank document. First, click the insert button and select shape and draw. Click shape fill. Next, click picture. Select picture. Write the name of person. Select name, uppercase, font size 28. Select Davis, change color. Select name. Click center paragraph, adjust picture, write number, email, website, etc. Next, summary write, font size 20. Write the detail of summary, font size 11. Next, skill highlight, font size 20, change color. Next, click insert, click table, select column and draw. Click table, border, select no border. Next, point. Next, skill highlight, enter. Next, copy and paste, skill highlight, remove. Write the experience. Font size 11. Select line. Click remove space paragraph. Paste experience. Change the education. Write the detail of education. Paste education. Write certificate. Write detail of certificate. Next, click shape, select line and draw. Next, we select shape and draw. Change color, paste, skill highlight, paste experience, education, certificate. Press Ctrl S, select location, save. Check your CV.